LinkedIn site has a high value in Google's search engine. Writing and sharing article on LinkedIn site helps in creating backlink to our website. Let's get started with the video. To write the article, we need to click this Write Article tab. And here, we can type in the title of the article. And here we can upload a cover image for the article. And here we can add the main content for the article. And here, we can add our website URL link to drive traffic from LinkedIn site to our website. With this Publish button, we can finally post it in LinkedIn. Before that, if needed, we can add keyword-filled tags for the article here. Click Publish button. And we are done posting article in LinkedIn site. To view the articles we shared on LinkedIn, we can click this profile icon in the top. And again, click this Posts and Activity tab to view all the posts and articles we added. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.